Now today, you know, Aldi, well, I'm at Aldi. They do have some candles this week. They have their normal 3-wick candles, the 429 candles. So we gonna go in here and we're gonna just grab 2. I showed y'all last week the candles. I think that's it. Oh, the designer jar candles. They're gonna have the designer jar. In that collection, I highly recommend that Paradise Cliff. If you love anthropology / Capri Blue volcano candle, it's a dupe for that. Those candles is $9 though, but the other ones is a pass. To me, the other ones seem like Christmas. So it's a pass for me on all of those, because I actually have like 2 or 3 of the Paradise Cliff candle. They also have the same candles in the single wick, not the designer, the 3-wick candles that came out this week, which is the prickly pear, garden rain, sweet eucalyptus, and the spring iris. They also have those in the single wicks as well. I think I'm gonna pass on that, because lately Aldi been getting so many candles. You don't really have to run anymore for these candles. You could kind of wait a couple of weeks and wait for them to be on the markdown. But if it's a candle that you really want, I highly recommend you go ahead and get it, and don't wait, because it just might sell out. Who knows? A lot of the content creators, a lot of the candle community content creators, that's a lot of C's. A lot of the 4 C's, we hype up candles, and when we hype up a certain candle, yes, people is going to run for that candle. So if the 4C community, that's what I'm gonna start calling it, if the 4C community hype up a candle, do not wait, go ahead and grab it, or you're gonna miss out. But for me, this week, until I test the candles, nothing's hype for me yet. The last week candles, as y'all do know, I did do a couple of reviews on those candles. I still have like 2 or 3 more videos come out, and I did do the reviews. I just haven't edited the video yet. The candles from last week is nice, but it's nothing that you have to run for. Those candles, you could kind of wait until they get marked down. Wait for the markdown on last week candles. The ones like the ones that came in that little cement type of jar. I don't even know the name of them no more. But I probably would show y'all those candles. You could kind of wait on those candles, because they just okay. They really don't throw good, even though they are 2-wick candles and you expect them to throw a little bit more. They don't throw good at all. For me, they was just like a 1-room, small room candle. The other ones, those alchemists or whatever it was called, those candles is actually nice, especially that leather and that vinegar and leather one. That one is super nice. But again, those are not candles you have to run for, because those candles is $7. Now, when they mark them down to $5 or $3, then yes, I do recommend them. Most definitely at the $3 price point, yes. But at the regular price, y'all don't have to run for those. And I got a feeling this week's candles, you're not gonna have to run for it. But I said all that and did not say my intro. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back and checking my videos out. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's watching everything, no matter what I post, vlogs, reviews, hauls, sip and chat, following your girl on Instagram, using or following my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. You are my MVP of the channel. MVP. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Thank you for always supporting me. Y'all know I'm silly. Just wanted to make you laugh a little bit. So so y'all, let's head into the store because this little hole be getting important. It's getting kind of long. So let's head in here, and it's raining today, y'all. I'ma go in here, and I only plan on grabbing like 2 candles. I'ma pass on the single wicks because I know they're gonna be around for a little while. I could kind of wait on those to go on the markdown. So yeah, let's run in here real quick. I don't even think I'm gonna take my umbrella. I think the rain has it stopped? Yeah, so let's head in here. Let's head in here. I got my mask on. Mask on. Mask on. I need to wash this hair. I put these crinkles in about a week ago. Last Friday for the, nah, it's still raining. I put these crinkles in my hair last week for the sip and chat, and they're still in there. Y'all see there go Aldi. And surprisingly, y'all, look at that. The store isn't even packed. Normally on Wednesday, the store normally is always packed, as y'all do see. Aldi. The store is always packed on Wednesday, but for some reason today is not really packed. I don't know if it's because it's raining. I don't know, but it's supposed to rain all day. So let's get in here and let's see what we could see and what we could find. Okay, here we go, right here, right in the front. Nope, not in the front. As y'all do know, these candles came out a couple of weeks ago, probably like a month ago, maybe, or a little bit longer. As y'all see that one, that's the everyday candle. This was the collection that everybody was running for. That one. So my store still have them at the regular price, the $4.29. The $4.29 price, but we're gonna see. Oh, look at this, y'all. That's really good. If you need candle storage, most definitely grab one of those. Okay, the designer lids. Here we go. 3 of them. Uh-oh, I don't like these lids. Wow. The lids kind of suck on these. They're very loose, as you see. So when you grab them, be careful, because the lid most definitely is very loose. So this is the one, y'all. This one, the silver one, is the Paradise Cliff. This is the one that's a dupe for the Anthropology candle, the volcano candle. So this one will sell out. If you have not got your hands on that one, if you don't have it in your collection, you most definitely need to grab that one. But these other ones is giving me Christmas, so those are pass. Okay, here we go. It's the new stuff, y'all. New stuff. There we go. Those are all the new candles this week. Like I told y'all too, they also come in the single wicks for $2.49. And then that one. So if you don't want to get the 3 wick, you can always pick the same scents up in the single wick. The exact same candles. Let's see what else. Let's see what else. Oh, this thing. Oh, these are only one? Wow. For $5.99. This is series 3. I don't know. Wow, those pans are actually nice. Lightweight cast iron. Wow. $16.99. They actually have the utility quartz this week for $20. Now, y'all know I already got the quartz, so I don't need that. They still have those. They still have these wax melts, but as y'all do see in my store, they're still the regular price, the $2.29. So that's a pass for me, even though I think these are like $1.89, I believe. So this is a pass for me. They still have the warmers. If you have not grabbed the warmers yet, I decided to pass on the warmers because I have so many warmers where I don't need another one. I'm good. They also still have these water bottles. If you haven't grabbed one of these water bottles, they're $10 though. You probably could wait for the markdown on that. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna come back when I get to the car. I gotta find a box, even though I'm only getting 2 things. But oh, let me check and see if they finally got the new everyday candles in. Let me check for that. Nope, they still got the same candles. I don't know when they're gonna change these candles. As y'all see, the vanilla, that's an everyday candle. This is Christmas. This is Christmas. Those should be marked down. Now come on, Aldi, let's be for real. But that's a pass. The Joe Malone dupe candles. Look at this, y'all. Wow. Wow. They still have tons. Look at all of those. Wow. And they're still $4.99. Again, they have the box, the gift box candles, $5.99, and they still have this coffee collection, $4.99. So if y'all haven't got those yet, you most definitely can still find those in the store. I think I'm gonna just grab what I came in for because I don't see anything else. So I'm gonna just grab it because most definitely want to get this out today. And then, like I said, I was only grabbing 2 candles. So I'm gonna come back when I get in the car so I can let y'all know what the candles smell like. Okay, yeah, I'm back in the car. Woo! I'm shocked. The store was not packed at all. But I only grabbed 2 candles like I told y'all I was gonna do. I actually got this Garden Rain. No scent notes this week on the bottom. Pour date. Any pour date? No pour date. Just the pour year, which is 2022. Let's smell this one. And as y'all do it, this is gonna be floral. As you do see, the picture has like a flower garden. So Garden Rains, and I'm thinking it's gonna have like that. I don't know. Let's just smell it. Yes, floral. Floral. So yeah, got that one. And the next one I got is Prickly Pear Cactus. I told y'all I was gonna get this one. No scent notes, the pour day, yes, the pour year, 2022. So yeah, as y'all do see, it just have those prickly pears on it. Most of the time, if a candle say pear, I'm gonna try it because for some reason, I just love pear candles. So I decided to grab this one. Let's smell it. Pink wax, of course, and this wax, as y'all do see, is cream color, white, whatever color you want to call that. And this one is that pink. Let's smell it. I hope this is more fruity, and I hope I do get that pear note. It's giving me floral. This is nice, but both of these is coming off kind of light on cold. Hopefully they throw pretty good. This one is like a fruity floral, I think. I don't know. Like I said, it's coming off light. So let me know in the comments, what did you get? Did you grab any of those designer jars? Did you grab the 3 wick jars? Or did you grab some of the clearance candles? Because I know a lot of Aldi's is marking their candles down. So if your store have a lot of clearance candles, did you buy any? Leave that in the comment. As y'all see, my store, they don't be marking nothing down. Nothing. I don't know why, but this particular store, no. I probably could go to another store and a lot of the candles will be marked down. So like I said in the comments, are you buying this week? Or are you gonna get the regular 3 wick, the $4.29 candles, or are you going for the luxury candles? Also, next week is going to be a pass week. From what I can see on the app, there's no candles. No candles. I personally don't think we're going to get any Easter candles this year because they did St. Patrick's candles. So, I don't know. You're going to have to pull your Easter candles from last year or burn some of the Bath & Body Works. But from what it's looking like, no Easter release. I'm trying to think, did last year they didn't do St. Patrick's, I don't think, but they did Easter. So maybe Aldi kind of alternate the holiday. I don't know. But from, like I said, from what it looked like, no Easter candles. So leave in the comments. Leave me something in the comments. Is this a pass week for you, or are you just gonna wait for the markdown for these candles? Did you grab some of the single wicks? Yeah, just leave in the comments. Let me know, what are y'all doing this week? You passing? You grabbing? What are you gonna do? Also, I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, comments, thumbs up the video, follow me on social media, follow my hashtag, and I will see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.